Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a Mexican delight. We're going to see how to make Mexican rice. This is a one-pot dish with a lot of good flavors and a lot of vegetables. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. Just wash it a few times. And keep it aside. For the tomato puree, I'm blanching 4 small tomatoes. Now you can also use store-bought tomato paste or tomato puree. The tomatoes are blanched. Turn off the stove. Remove the tomatoes from the hot water. Cool it completely. Transfer the blanched tomatoes to a mixer jar. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm just going to give it a bit of flavor. Just grind it to a nice fine puree. Now, if you get ready-made tomato paste, you can use that as well. To a nice wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. First add 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Next add 2 small onions finely chopped. Saute the onions and garlic. Once the onions are transparent, I'm going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder. So just give it a quick mix. Now add the washed long grain basmati rice. Gently stir it. Mix it along with the onions and the garlic. Make sure you do this gently because you don't want to break the rice. So we're going to just toast the rice a little bit to get those flavors out before we add all the other ingredients. So just keep the flame on medium-low while doing this. Stir it for about 2 minutes. So to this, I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with 1 small green capsicum, 1 small red capsicum or red bell pepper, finely chopped, 1 yellow bell pepper. If you have sweet corn, you can use sweet corn or you can use the yellow bell pepper. 1 small carrot, chopped, a few green peas. So gently mix all the vegetables along with the rice. Wow, that looks so colorful. So if you notice, all the vegetables are cut to the same size. So that way they cook evenly. So once you've added the vegetables and you've mixed it along with the rice, now I'm going to add the tomato puree. So after adding the tomato puree, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano. I'm adding the oregano in the end because I wanted to retain the flavors better. It's a very simple yet very tasty one-pot dish. It's got a lot of nice flavors. Finally, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. For better flavor, you can use 2 cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock. If not, just plain water will be enough. Before you close the pan, check for seasoning if you need a little salt. Make sure the seasoning is correct. Reduce the flame to a low and cook the rice for about 20 minutes. Wow, that looks amazing. So after 20 minutes, I've turned off the stove and let's check and see if the rice is cooked. You can see the rice is cooked perfectly. It's absorbed all the water. Let it rest for a few minutes before you serve. I'm just gently mixing it, not too much. So there you go, here is this colorful and delicious Mexican rice. You can see it's a one-pot dish and can be easily made with very simple ingredients. It's got a lot of nice flavors, so do try this, enjoy, and let me know how it turned out for you guys.